Imagine a sweltering summer afternoon. The sun blazes outside, and the air inside grows thick and uncomfortable. You need relief, but central air is out of reach, and window units don't fit your space. Enter the portable air conditioner, a modern marvel promising cool comfort wherever you need it. But as you shop, a question arises. Should you choose a single hose or a dual hose portable air conditioner? While both promise to chill your room, their differences can make a significant impact on comfort, efficiency, and cost. Let's break down the key comparison points to help you make an informed decision. Cooling efficiency. The core function of any air conditioner is to cool your space efficiently. Single-hose portable ACs draw warm air from the room, cool it, and expel the heat outside through a single exhaust hose. This process, while straightforward, creates negative pressure inside the room, which can inadvertently draw in hot air from adjacent spaces or even from outside through cracks and gaps. As a result, single hose units are typically less efficient, especially in larger rooms or during prolonged use. Dual hose units, on the other hand, are designed for greater efficiency. They use one hose to pull in outside air to cool the unit's internal components and another to expel the hot air. This balanced approach maintains neutral air pressure, preventing unwanted warm air infiltration. The result is faster, more consistent cooling, particularly in larger spaces or rooms with higher heat loads. Airflow mechanism. The difference in airflow is fundamental to how these two types operate. A single hose unit recycles room air, which means as it exhausts the hot air, it must pull in replacement air from elsewhere, often from under doors or through windows, which can reduce its overall effectiveness. This negative pressure can also impact air quality and comfort, especially if the replacement air is humid or dusty. Dual hose units solve this problem by using one hose exclusively for intake and the other for exhaust. Outside air is used to cool the compressor and condenser, and then the warmed air is expelled outside. This system keeps the room's air pressure stable, resulting in fewer drafts and less infiltration of outside air, which is especially beneficial in well-sealed or larger rooms. Cooling speed. When it comes to how quickly a portable AC can bring down the temperature, dual hose models generally have the upper hand. Their efficient air exchange allows them to cool a room more rapidly than single hose units. This is particularly noticeable in larger spaces or when the unit is first turned on after a hot day. Single hose units, while effective in smaller rooms, tend to cool more slowly as they constantly battle the negative pressure and incoming warm air. Energy use. Energy efficiency is a crucial consideration, especially if you plan to run your portable AC frequently. Single hose units often work harder and longer to maintain a set temperature, particularly in bigger rooms or poorly insulated spaces. This can translate to higher energy bills over time. Dual hose models, by maintaining neutral pressure and facilitating more effective cooling, generally use less energy for the same cooling output, making them a better choice for energy-conscious users or those cooling larger areas. Noise level. Noise can be a deciding factor, especially if you're using the unit in a bedroom or office. Single hose units are typically quieter as they have only one fan and a simpler design. Dual hose models, with their two internal fans and more complex airflow, can be slightly louder. However, the difference is often marginal and depends on the specific model and quality of construction. For most users, the noise produced by either type is comparable to a standard box fan or a quiet conversation. Portability. One of the main appeals of portable air conditioners is, of course, their portability. Single hose units are lighter and easier to move from room to room. Their simpler design and lighter weight make them ideal for users who need to frequently relocate the unit or store it away in the off-season. Dual hose units, while still portable, are heavier and bulkier due to the extra hose and internal components. This can make them less convenient to move, especially up and down stairs or between distant rooms. Setup complexity. Setting up a portable AC should be straightforward, but there are differences between the two types. Single hose models are generally easier and quicker to install. You simply attach the hose to the back of the unit, fit the window kit, and you're ready to go. Dual hose units require a bit more effort. Both hoses must be properly attached and sealed, and the window kit is slightly more complex. While not difficult, it does take a few extra minutes and a bit more attention to detail to ensure an airtight fit. Price. Budget is often a key factor in any appliance purchase. Single-hose portable air conditioners are typically less expensive, both in terms of initial purchase price and ongoing maintenance. Their simpler design and widespread availability make them a budget-friendly option for many households. Dual hose units, with their enhanced performance and efficiency, come at a higher upfront cost. However, their greater energy efficiency can result in savings over time, especially in larger or frequently used spaces. Best use case. Choosing between single and dual hose portable ACs ultimately depends on your specific needs. Single hose units are best suited for smaller rooms, occasional use, or situations where portability and lower cost are top priorities. They're ideal for bedrooms, small offices, or apartments where the unit may need to be moved regularly. Dual hose units shine in larger rooms, open-plan spaces, or environments where rapid, efficient cooling is essential. If you need to cool a large living room, studio, or workspace, or if you plan to run the unit for extended periods, a dual hose model is likely the better choice. Additional considerations. When selecting any portable air conditioner, it's essential to match the unit's BTU rating to your room size. An undersized unit will struggle to cool effectively, while an oversized one may cycle on and off too frequently, reducing efficiency and lifespan. Keep doors and windows closed while the AC is running, and consider additional features like programmable timers, remote controls, and air purifiers for added convenience and comfort. It's also worth noting that all portable ACs, regardless of type, are less efficient than permanent window or split systems. They're best viewed as temporary or supplemental solutions, ideal for renters, small spaces, or situations where traditional AC installation isn't possible. Expert tip. To maximize the efficiency of your portable air conditioner, always ensure the room is well sealed. Close doors, windows, and blinds to minimize heat gain, and position the unit away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Regularly clean or replace the filters to maintain optimal airflow and air quality. For those with allergies or sensitivities, look for models with built-in dehumidifiers or advanced filtration systems. So which is better? The choice between a single hose and a dual hose portable air conditioner comes down to balancing your needs for efficiency, cost, portability, and room size. Single hose units offer simplicity, affordability, and easy mobility, making them perfect for small rooms and occasional use. Dual hose models provide superior cooling performance, energy efficiency, and are better suited for larger or more demanding environments. By understanding the strengths and limitations of each type, you can confidently select the portable AC that will keep you cool and comfortable all summer long.